What's up, fish lovers? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jake. This is Foreshore Fishing. Today I'm on my new to me boat, a 99 Ranger R83. Huge upgrade from the kayak. Absolutely love this thing. Anyways, getting it on the lake today. Hopefully hook onto some bass. You guys stay tuned. Alright, let's try a little jerk bait action. I got this gold colored Lucky Craft on. Oh, got first cast. Not a big one, but still pretty nice. All right, there's the first one. All right, let's try to get number two. Look at all this space, guys. I've been so used to my kayak for so long. Definitely a nice upgrade. Got my Garmin graphs. I got a 10-inch in the front and a 9 in the rear. And then I think eventually I'll get live scope on there. Got to have that forward-facing sonar. All right, no followers that time. Oh, there's one. It's a little guy. Make sure my drag is set. Try to shake these little ones off. Got another one. Oh, okay, you could spit it, that's all right. Here's one. Yeah, if they're all gonna be this size, I don't know. That one was a little deeper. Oh, just shook my plastic off too. All right, so here's my tackle storage. Keep looking for my drop shot stuff. Here we go. I'm gonna go with this chompers right here. All right, so I have that on the drop shot. I have it rigged wacky style. That seems to be doing the trick pretty good lately. But I think right now they're so hungry they're just gonna eat anything. There's one. All right, getting a little bit bigger. There's another one. Look at the pattern on that. It's beautiful. Really pretty. I don't know if you guys could see, but this is just loaded with bluegill. I think it looks like they have little beds up in here in this area. Try not to bother them too much. Water clarity is good. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's pretty clear. So I'm not finding anything of, ooh, I was gonna say I'm not finding anything of size that shallow, but there's literally, I don't know, maybe a 2.5, 3 pounder cruising by. Anyways, I'm not really finding anything of any size up shallow. So I'm gonna try going out a little bit deeper. Maybe the bigger ones are sitting down a little deeper, so let's go try that. But first, just for the heck of it, I want to throw this glide bait. Actually, I am seeing a few bass cruise around. Oh, there's a good one too. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's a 3 all day. Oh no, that's a 4. Can you guys see that? Oh, that's a chunky 4 too. What am I thinking? I'm sitting here talking about weaving. Dang, that's a chunky fish. Of course, though, getting it to bite would be pretty rare after I'm sitting here staring at it like that. Oh man, that is a good one too. Oh, this little one. There we go. A little better one. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna throw this jig out there, see if we can get bit. Hopefully there's just a fatty sitting right here on this point. Nice rocky point with the lay down. Oh wow, look at the graph. Oh, there's one right there. He swam up. There's a whole school of fish right here. All right, so he swam up with a whole school of them after it. So I just caught this guy chasing around a little school of bait fish. So I kind of just hovered my drop shot right where I saw the school of bait, which is about 10 feet down below the trolling motor. So probably about right there. See if we can't do it again. Yep, got him. Oh, he came off. Get right back down. Yeah, got one on the Rapala. I think this one dives down to 10 feet. So I was noticing on the, there he goes. Noticing on the fish finder that a lot of bait fish and bass were down around the 10-foot mark. Like right there, I don't know if you could see that. A little bit deeper than 10. Anyways, I figured this would draw some attention in that part of the water column. That last one didn't hit it very hard. There's one. Oh, really? That little guy? That guy hit it hard. There's no way. Bunch of small ones today. So I'm probably gonna have to cut today pretty short because I had this Bubba handle on I bought their culling system and it came with this big handle and I guess to clip the tags on, and I didn't need it for that. So I took this and adapted it to the trolling motor. But where I went wrong is when I rerouted the cable through the trolling motor, it doesn't create leverage to allow me to pull it back up. So it's completely locked down. So I have to take a screwdriver and kind of stick it up in here and release it. And every time I want to lift the motor up, it's really annoying. And it's probably not safe to have it like that. So I'm going to cut the trip short. I might fish a little bit on the way back to the ramp. But so if you notice I'm not out here very long, that's why. Shoot, even at this point, I think I'd be happy with a 2-pounder. Well, I think that is going to wrap it up for today. I know it was a pretty short video, but it was fun to get out here on my new boat and enjoy the day, catch some fish, and I think I need to get back home and get that trolling motor fixed so I can get back out on the water again soon. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. You guys take care.